Get in the middle. Get in the middle. Having fun?
Yeah, I'm having fun!
Get in the middle. Jeremy, go over there and watch him. Make sure he stays in the middle. I'm going to get Brooklyn swinging. Jeremy. Here, Jeremy, go watch. Yay, Brooke. Whee! Uh-oh.
Do not even do that.
I can't see. The sun's too bright.
Says you that. I'm a genius.